So in the box, obviously, you can see the table legs, instruction manual, so the A screws. Now like for this side. Getting the A size screw. Now we attach the feet, which is the B screws. And the feet for the other side. Now we just need to connect the wires up for the electric motors. Finally, the power cable. So the desk comes with 2 USB ports and 1 USB Type-C port. So these are quite handy for charging things occasionally. There's a display to show the height level. I find that the motors is quite smooth in taking the desk up and down. There's 4 settings that you can save particular height, and to just save the height you just have to hold one of the numbers down for about 3 seconds and it'll save the setting. There's also a lock switch which will then actually disable these buttons so kids won't come up and randomly change the height on you. Has a handy drawer for you to store away items. Overall, I'm quite happy with this sit-stand desk. What I like about it the most was the ease of assembly. and I think it's quite good value for money.